Hello everyone. This time we are introducing common application scenarios and configuration methods of upgrading ONU via OLT. There are 3 parts in total: upgrade ONU via EPON OLT, upgrade ONU via GPON OLT, and configuration examples. EPON manual upgrade. You can configure the ONU manual upgrade on this interface. Select the PON port where the ONU to be upgraded resides. Select the ONU upgrade and submit. This shows the ONU upgrade information you're configured. It will disappear after the upgrade or deletion is successful. Select ONU firmware to upgrade. ONU firmware uploaded successfully. The upgrade progress is displayed on the upgrade status and manual upgrade interfaces. You can view the results of the upgrade on this interface. EPON Auto Upgrade. If you want to upgrade a particular model of ONU registered under multiple PON ports, you can configure automatic upgrade to do so. Automatic upgrade and manual upgrade cannot be used at the same time. If force mode is disabled, the firmware is automatically upgraded only when the firmware version is higher than the original version. If force mode is enabled, the current higher version of ONU firmware can be upgraded to a lower version. If force mode is match, you can add the source version, and only the ONU that matches the current version will be automatically upgraded. Configure the vendor ID and model ID of the ONU to be upgraded. You can view the vendor ID and model ID information of ONU in this interface. Add the version of firmware you want to upgrade. Add rules for upgrade restrictions through OUI. Only the ONU whose OUI matches the rule is automatically upgraded. Select ONU firmware to upgrade. After setting the above parameters and selecting the firmware upgrade, the current upgrade rule is displayed below. The upgrade process will stop if you delete the rule. On the Upgrade Status interface, you can view the automatic upgrade progress. If the newly registered ONU matches the rule, the automatic upgrade will also start. GPON manual upgrade. Before upgrading the ONU, you need to upload the ONU firmware image to the OLT's RAM. Select the ONU image and the ONU that need upgrade, and an upgrade mode, then click Commit button to start upgrading. In general, use mixed mode to upgrade. The following is an introduction to the 5 upgrade modes. Mix is generally selected during the upgrade. You can view the upgrade progress and result on the upgrade status interface. Clicking Abort can cancel the current upgrade process. GPON Auto Upgrade. This is optional. In general, this configuration is not required. Lieutenant is used for single storage partition ONU. If you want to automatically upgrade in Quick Activate mode, submit the equipment ID of the target ONU here. You also need to enter the target equipment ID and the version of the selected firmware upgrade. Select the firmware image and click Add button. After setting the above parameters and selecting the firmware upgrade, the current upgrade rule is displayed below. The upgrade process will stop if you delete the rule. You can view the equipment ID information of ONU in this interface. After setting the above parameters and selecting the firmware upgrade, the current upgrade rule is displayed below. The upgrade process will stop if you delete the rule. You can view the upgrade progress and result on the Auto Upgrade Status interface. Next, we will provide configuration examples. EPON Manual Upgrade. Check the ONU firmware version and vendor ID and model ID. The current ONU firmware version is V1 0.6 and needs to be upgraded to V1 0.7. Now upgrade the ONU within ID 1, 3, 5, 10 to 20. Upload the firmware image. Check the upgrade progress. After the upgrade is complete, the manual upgrade and upgrade interface does not display the upgrade result. Check the upgrade result. EPON Auto Upgrade. Set vendor ID and model ID. Fill in the target version. Upload the firmware image. Check the upgrade rules you just configured. Check the upgrade progress. Check the upgrade result. EPON Manual Upgrade. Check the ONU firmware version and equipment ID. The current ONU firmware version is V1 0.7 and needs to be upgraded to V1 0.6. Upload the firmware image. Now upgrade the ONU within ID 1, 3, 5, 10 to 20. Check the upgrade progress. Upgrade successfully. Check the ONU current firmware version. EPON Auto Upgrade. Check the equipment ID and firmware version of target ONU. The current ONU firmware version is V1 0.6 and needs to be upgraded to V1 0.7. Fill in the equipment ID and target version. Select the corresponding firmware image to add. Check the upgrade progress. Upgrade successfully. Check the ONU current firmware version. Thank you for watching.